Yeah, good evening. Yeah, welcome. It's still your boy African Freedom TV. Thank you very much. If not today, na your first time, we be say you dey watch our video. Please try make you subscribe so that any other latest news you go still you will be the first person to see am. Wetin I bring come today now. You know, say yesterday I tell una say Italy don talk say nobody go dey come outside, even to go buy something. Nobody go dey come outside. As they say, make dem no go come outside so. But all the company don close, but not be all of them. Some never close. Some wey never close now. How they come take dey work now? They come bring the new law now. Wey be say they say make dem know people wey dey go work and the people wey dey waka for street. Na they come bring one document wey they bring now. Say if you hold that document now, na they go know say na work you dey go through. Which document be that one now? See the document for here. This document wey I hold for hand now, na it be the document wey I dey talk. If you hold this document now, they go know say na work you dey go. Anywhere now where you dey go, any train station now, police dey there. Na this thing they control. Once you bring this document, they no go block you. Abeg make we try, make we know how we go take collect this document. If you say you need this document, collect my number for that place. Write me message for WhatsApp. That number there for WhatsApp. Or call me. I go send you this document. I go send you this document. You go photocopy am. I still do am the way I did do my own. Now I make as the news just come out yesterday night. Now our group for our company, now I share this thing for our group, but I never know anything concerning that. They just share and read and know, see what they talk, but I never know. Now as I go today, I can't confirm am. As it did the work, all of us come feel and come carry and go, and the police still stop me today. I still show them. Now I make I say that thing will help me. Make I still share am for now. Make una know say see wetin dey go on as it dey happen. Any latest news I go try me I dey bring am come. Make una dey see the news as it dey there. Na I be the thing. Now so this one be now for inside the news now. I don't see am wetin dey write for this place now. Ministero dell'Interno. They come here, come write Department della Pubblici di Sicurezza. Now he be waiting they write. This place where they write Il sottoscritto is where you go write your name where they know you. They come here, they come write Nato El when they born you. Why this place where they write is they born you in which place, which if Nigeria, Senegal, Mali, Gambia, Ghana, anywhere where they for born you, now for that place you go put. Residence N, you go come write your residence where you dey stay. But inside this document, so inside this document where you see, so now for there you go come see, you go come fill all the form. You go feel like if you hold like if the police just stop you, you go show them the document they will leave you. Okay, and for there, as I hear the news, so just see, hear them, just confirm, see the news they very important. I make us make I bring and come for now. So this one take end. Now make I go straight another news. I may I show another news. Yeah. The Minister of Sanitary don't come out today around 12:40 something. I they talk this news. So he say waiting. He say from tomorrow they feel close all the companies. They feel close them because of this virus for 15 days. May they still check. They feel closer, but make una stay here the way I take talk because I don't like me and they bring una fake. I never say the Lord don't start. He say maybe. We be say as me myself, I still they come. I want to know whether the waiting I hear, say waiting me use my ear here, whether not true or been not be true. That time when the police stop me, where they talk to, I come they ask and say whether this law where they talk so time like this today, say whether it don't start. Now he can't tell me say the law don't start. Say it don't start, but he never started the work. No, that but me myself don't understand what they talk. I say me they watch. Say if I they go work, I can't ask and say well that means I know go work tomorrow. He say make I go, but make I pay, make I there at alert. Say should it be case if I reach for my working place, if train no work well, make I know send a leg I go take go house. Say na so it be say even train if no work well, but say me they still they watch because now tomorrow now we they watch whether how it could be because today na 10th of March 2020. Okay, as I tell you na so that one still be. as I hear the news, I know say they very, very important. For people where they work now, make it be at alert. If they go work tomorrow, make it be at alert. They at alert for anywhere where they go. Make you know say Kasala don burst. See as area don ready now. Everywhere na zona rose. Everywhere na zona rose. Maybe everybody know say see as it be. Make I say make I bring her. Make all of us make we know what it dey. Na so it be. I beg, make una try. Anywhere where you dey go now, make you know tomorrow. You go still dey control your phone, control through your train map or wait till they control your train. Still dey ask some question. Anyhow where it be, if it's near something, they still talk tomorrow. Wait till they very, very important. I will still bring and come tell you again. That's so it still be. Now, we will go straight to another news. Another news where I still carry come now be say this virus still dey go more. For school now, they don't close school till the 3rd of April. Now they close school now till on 3rd of April. Now they close school reach. If you know say you come here for study or your baby they go school, everybody make una be there, make una get them for mind say now so they do and now. Say na till the 3rd of what? April. Now the school go fit open. Till then, if you say everything go well, and I be say they go open, and if you say everything don't go well, that means the school will still be closed as it dey close. All the news where I know say they very, very important. I make I say make I bring and come. Now be the news where I carry come. As I just hear immediately as I just read and see. Now I make I know say they very, very important. Now I make I say me I carry and come. Come stay sharing with you. Come stay sharing for this program. So thank you very much now for here now they bring on to the end because everything where I carry come I don't share and give now. That's so it be. I hope believe say now happiness will take it go. Anything bad no go dey happiness now. God could bring the one where we see before it will happen. Solution must there. I wish you a good luck anywhere for the watch me. I pray that God will bless you. If you find work, you go see anything where you find, God must open way for you. In Jesus' name. Thank you very much and good night. Bye.